Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge for window cleaning. We will cover essential strategies to help you set competitive and profitable prices for your services. You will learn to assess various factors, calculate costs effectively, and understand different pricing models for both residential and commercial clients. This guide aims to equip you with the knowledge to maximize your earnings and grow your window cleaning business successfully. For residential window cleaning, a common approach is to charge per window. Base rates typically begin at around $5 to $10 for each standard window. Remember to adjust for larger sizes, unique window types, or difficult accessibility. Always include additional charges for cleaning screens, sills, or removing stubborn hard water stains. A complete service for a typical 3-bedroom home could range from $100 to $200, depending on these factors. Commercial window cleaning often involves different pricing models. Many businesses charge an hourly rate, which can range from $40 to $75 per person, or they might price by the total square footage. Larger commercial properties frequently demand specialized equipment, such as lifts or water-fed poles, which will influence your overall pricing. Securing regular contracts with businesses provides a consistent income stream and allows for potential volume discounts. To maximize your profit and enhance customer value, consider offering complementary services like gutter cleaning or pressure washing. Create tiered pricing packages, giving clients options for basic, standard, or premium services. Encourage repeat business and new client acquisition by providing discounts for recurring services or successful referrals. Always communicate your expertise and the high quality of your work, building trust and ensuring client satisfaction for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.